Good evening, everybody. Today I have from Bubble Splash Bath 2 little eggnog drinks. They are so cute. I actually have another one, but I decided just to use 2 of them tonight. Let's go ahead. I think the topping is just like cocoa butter stuff, melts or whatever, but let's go ahead and put it to work. I put just a little bit of the water in the tub today for this demo because I thought that was just going to float on the top, but evidently it's not. It smells delicious though. And here's the little melt, the little straw on it. So cute. I'm just going to go ahead and squeeze this one out since it seems like it's not. It smells delicious, by the way. And I should have filled the tub up a little more. Here is the second one. It really is super cute. Look at it though. I'm sorry, it was just so cute I had to look at it again. This is the first time I've ordered from this company, so I'm not sure, what the situation is going to be, although already I can feel the water feeling super soft, which I don't usually feel that quickly, but it's probably because I put so little water in the tub. Come out, guy. So we have the one piece over here, and then this one's still in the cup. I'm just really interested in the melts, not because I like melts, because you guys know I'm not much of a melt person, but because it's so cute and I was just trying to watch it melt away. All right, so this one has finally come out of the cup. So now we have 2 little bath bombs. These are really super adorable, by the way. They smell delicious. Maybe I can eat this. Just kidding. It looks edible. So they are foaming pretty nicely if I hold them up. I doubt that there's any color in this. It's a little tiny bath bomb, plus it's eggnog. So other than like creamy and maybe golden, creamy white and golden, I don't expect that there should be more color. Let's see if there's going to be shimmer, because I think I saw some already. And for this to be tiny bath bombs, they sure are lasting quite long. Just like a creamy little eggnog here. And they're kind of hard, so I can't, there's no crushing going to happen here. They look like little marshmallows right now. So I do still have one more left. I wanted to use more than one, obviously, in the tub because they were small. But I didn't necessarily know if I needed 3, especially because there's a lot of melt on it, and due to the demo, I wanted you guys to actually see the melt. I don't know where the other one went though. What happened here? I'm missing a melt. Let me take this one out because I don't like my bath water to have too much melt. And with the other one, here it is. So the other one missing, it looks like it has cinnamon on it. I didn't want to overpower my bath with bath melts. And I can't find the bath bomb. I do like the foaminess of this. Sometimes I'll get bath bombs from new companies and the bath bombs would be more like bath fizzies. So I wasn't sure what to expect since this was a new company and I hadn't seen any demos online. Not saying that there aren't any, I just hadn't seen any. Trying to see if I can at least crush. Nope, these are not crushable at all. And here are little cups they came in. I have lost the other bath melt. I took one out, but I left the other one in. And I will tell you, even though it's melting in this bathtub, I don't see that it's super oily looking. Sometimes I get bath melts and the water immediately turns super oily looking, and there's a sheen on the top, and I don't see that. All right, so these pieces are so tiny. Oh, here's the bath melt. It's still going. It really does smell super delicious. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna take it out. I think it's been in there long enough for my skin. All right, these little things have been going like forever. As usual, bath melt kills bubbles, so the bubbles in my tub are killed. That's why, another reason I don't like bath melts, because I actually like bubbles more than I like bath melt, and then because bath melt breaks my back out. So let's take a close look at the water now that these are ridiculously tiny before I ruin it up with the remnants of the little, that turn little white thingies. But I do see a lot of shimmer in here, which I didn't expect. I don't even know where it came from, but it's shimmery, super shimmery, because it didn't look like that bath bomb had shimmer. But there is a lot of shimmer in here. Do you see it? You see it? Very pretty. Alright guys, that's it for, what was it? Bubble Splash Bath. And I actually enjoyed these cute little bath bombs. And the water does not feel greasy at all. I mean, it did kill the bubbles, of course. But the water doesn't feel greasy at all, I'm telling you. There's no sheen on the water. Although I did not let the melt go all the way. But it is super shimmery. Alright guys, that's all for this one. Talk to you guys on the next one.